Alright guys, welcome back with me. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Kesra with student ID number 2024 32043, and I will show you how to determine mean, median, and modus in Excel, which is my practicum and practical. And so let's start it. The first thing you have to do, guys, is input the data set. Of course, the data set, you need to what data set you will determine what is the mean, the median, and the modus. And after you input the data set in Excel, the first thing you have to determine is maximum value of this data. There's a lot of data. We use a formula is max and block the table, and so we got the maximum value, and after that we determine the minimum value is mean and block the data, and we got the minimum value. And after that we use count formula for determine how many this data is. So you type count and you block the data. After that we have to know what range is this data. It was maximum value minus by minimum value, that you got the range of data. And after that use the formula 1 plus 3.3 times by log total data, and here you got the value of the how much class that you need to make this all in a table. And because of the decimal, we need to run it first with run formula, and after that we need to know the width class. We need to range is divided by how many class. So 28 divided by 9, and then you got 3.1111, and run up this value, so you got 4. And after that you make a distribution frequency table and start with the minimum value of the data is the first class, like one in my data is 155. So after that you just add some the class width is 4, so 155 plus by 4 in the next. So you got that, and you just autofill to the down until the table. And then you need to know what is boundaries up the class. So you just add some 3 value in the class in the lower boundaries class. So 155 plus by 3 is equal 158, and you just autofill to the down. And after that use a frequency formula, and you just type like equal frequency and add the data and semicolon with the upper or yes, upper boundaries class. So here we are, we got some frequency here, and with relative frequency is this frequency divided by how total of the data is n here, and we times by 100, so you got the relative frequency, and just autofill to the down. And lower than frequency cumulative, we just need to plus by plus in the top. So more than cumulative frequency is like that, and you just minus by after by after. So we make a helper table. We need the real boundaries class, so you need to minus 0.5 here, and you get the value, and you just autofill the down. And same as with the top boundaries class is plus by 0.5, and we insert the mid number, mid interval. You just add the top and down boundaries and divide by 2, and after that times by frequency. So mid interval times by frequency, and here you got and auto sum this value, and you got the summary of or total. And u is, and then we start 0 here, and plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 in the down, and minus 1 to the top, and times by frequency here, and autofill. Then you got the auto sum here. So how to determine mean? You need the value of the sigma mid interval times by frequency here, and then total of the frequency here, and then you got the, you just divided it, so it's divided by this. So here I get from the mid interval of the class, and this total this divided by total value, and then this is width of class, and then you got this by times this and plus by this. Okay, so median here, the formula, then here, then here, then here, and you get the formula here, then modus here, then here, then here, then here, then here, and then you got the modus value. And so add some graphical and add some charts here. Ta-da! That's all you got, guys. And how to mean, median, modus. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.